Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, March 18th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to do a quick video and talk to you about the changes in our compensation / rank qualifications, okay? So I've been doing this for 16 plus years now. I've been with several network marketing companies. Most of the time I was just doing affiliate offers and making money online that way. But I'm going to tell you right up front that this LiveGood is the best and easiest network marketing company that I've ever been with, okay? I mean, the support is awesome. The products are top notch. Everything about LiveGood is just, it blows everything else out of the water, all right? There's nothing else out there like LiveGood, okay? And I say that honestly. I'm not saying that just so you join my team and all that. I'm being very truthful with you when I say that. I've seen many companies change their compensation plans over the years, okay? However, I've never seen a company change it to benefit their members, all right? Most of the time when a company changes their compensation plans, it's to benefit the company themselves for whatever reason, all right? But now several times, and I joined back on December 21st, 2022. We went global the week before that. Okay, so I got in it when, I don't even think there was only maybe a couple hundred people in this when I joined. We have over 100,000 members now. But I've seen the compensation plan here change a couple times already. But it's always been to better our members. All right, it's to our benefit, not the company's. Okay, so it's just, sometimes people hear, well, they're changing things up again. Yeah, they are changing up things, but it's to better us, to better all the members, okay? So you don't have to worry about anything. All the money stays the same, and I'm just going to go over the major changes with you, okay? Now, you can see back here, to become a bronze, you must have 2 personally enrolled active members. This stays the same, all right? It's always been that way. To rank up to bronze, you need 2 personally enrolled members. To be silver, you must have 10 personally enrolled active members plus a total of 20 active members on your team, or 3 separate enroller tree legs, each with a bronze ranked affiliate, plus a total of 20 active members in your team. That's always been that way. It's going to stay the same. However, when we get to gold, all right, before this was what it was. All right, you have 30 personally enrolled active members plus a total of 100 active members in your enroller tree team, or 3 separate enroller tree legs with a silver ranked affiliate, plus a total of 100 active members in your team. All right, that's how it was before. This is how I got to gold. All right, I had over 100 active members, and then I had 3 separate enroller tree legs with silver ranked members. All right, however, now with the new changes, you can still do it this way, the old way, or you must have 100 active members in your enroller tree team with no more than 30 counting from any individual enroller tree leg. All right, so you see the power of that? You can become a gold member without having 30 personally enrolled members, or without having the 100 active members or 3 separate tree legs with silver in it. All right, you can just have 100 active members in your team with no more than 30 coming from each leg, or from an individual enroller tree leg. All right, that's a benefit, right? That's a lot of people are just ranked up the other day just because of this change. All right, so here we have platinum. Now, the old way with platinum was this. Must have 100 personally enrolled active members plus a total of 500 active members in your enroller tree team, or 3 separate enroller tree legs with a gold ranked affiliate plus a total of 500 active members in your enroller tree team. Now, with the new switch, the new change, you can do it the old way, or you can have 500 active members in your enroller tree team with no more than 150 counting from any individual enroller tree leg. All right, so I'm going to be a platinum here pretty soon. All right, because I already have over 500 active team members, so I'm just waiting for one leg I have over 300, and then I have one with over 100, and then the rest are kind of just there. So I'm waiting for about 167 new team members before I rank advance to platinum. All right, so the changes that they're doing for us are just incredible. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. Now, for diamond, you must have 3 separate enroller tree legs with a platinum ranked affiliate plus a total of 2,500 active members in your team. That's the old way. All right, so the new way is You just need 2,500 active members in your enroller tree team with no more than 500 counting from an individual enroller tree leg. Okay? So folks, since this change, prior to the change, we had 5 diamonds, I believe. And yesterday, because every Friday we have a rank recognition and training Zoom call with the founder and CEO, Ben Glinsky, and some of the other team members, we went from having 5 diamonds to 11 diamonds. We had 6 people rank up to diamond because of the changes here. We had a bunch of people rank up to platinum, a bunch of people rank up to gold, all because of these changes here. All right, so the LiveGood is trying to help us. They're helping us by making these changes. And the one last thing that they mentioned is that they've added a new rank. All right, it's not in the back office yet, but it's going to be really soon, and that's Crown Diamond. Okay, with Crown Diamond, I believe you have to have 50,000 members in your team with no more than 10,000 coming from an individual leg. Okay, and my guess is that Tim Miller, our first diamond, is going to be the first Crown Diamond because he's just crushing it. So with that, when you reach Crown Diamond, the company is going to give an additional 0.5% of the company earnings. All right, so that's money coming in from memberships, affiliate fees, product purchases, everything that the company brings in each month. They're going to throw in another 0.5% for those who are Crown Diamond. All right, so this is just an awesome update. It's super exciting. It's the easiest network marketing company I've ever been with. I mean, as long as you follow their rules and you're not purchasing leads and buying junk traffic, you have nothing to worry about. You come in here, share the tour page with people. That's all you have to do, okay? That's all you have to do to be successful with this company. It's just staying consistent and doing it. All right? We have some of the biggest leaders in here. Some of them don't even have a desktop computer. They work right on their cell phones. So I'm using Facebook and YouTube. I'm using attraction marketing, okay? So if you want to learn how to attract 3 to 7 new team members per week to your business opportunity, click on the link down below and you get a free 10-day digital recruiting bootcamp that's going to teach you how to do that, all right? So you no longer have to go and find prospects. You're going to have people come to you who want to join your business. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. There's also a link down there to learn more about LiveGood and the potential that it has to change your life. All right, so that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.